under my tires, Elmira fades in the rearview. Mark Twain slept in this valley, now I drag my ghost right through. Chemung River keeps on talking, brown water slit by stone. I know these hills remember every name they ever owned. Elmira College on the rise, brick walls watching me go. 12 odd miles to Lowman and the old road under snow. Drive on, drive on, I-86. Don't let go. Drive on, drive on, to where the cold winds blow. Crushing my bones, crushing my bones. Sullivan expedition left fire in the grass. They burned through Cayuga shadows and the smoke still holds the past. Now I've had those exits like scars across my skin. History in the guardrail, history under my skin. Elmira College on the rise, Mark Twain in the rain. Chemung River keeps my secrets, Lowman calls my name. Drive on, drive on, I-86. Don't let go. Drive on, drive on, to where the cold winds blow. Crushing my bones, crushing my bones. Torn my white knuckles, black top, old blood. I hear the valley breathing through the mud and the flood. Torn my white knuckles, I can't shake the low. From Elmira to Lowman, I'm haunted by this road. Drive on, drive on, drive on, drive on, I-86. Don't let go. Drive on, drive on, to where the cold winds blow. Crushing my bones, crushing my bones. Drive on, drive on. I-86 under my tires, Elmira fades in the rear view. Mark Twain slept in this valley, now I drag